Hello everyone. Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to publish your app to the Google Play Store from Evlop Mobile App Builder, a Shopify-based no-code platform. If you have developed a fantastic app for your store and want to make it available to the world, let us help you with the step-by-step process to publish it. Follow along for guidance. Whether you're tech-savvy or not, this guide will simplify the process. So, let's get started. First, navigate to the Google Play console and select your account. If you haven't already signed up for your Android developer account, I can provide a link to do so in the description. Here, we can proceed to create a service account. Next, navigate to the API Access section and click on View Google Cloud Platform. Access the hamburger menu and choose IAM and Admin. Next, select Service Account from the options. Click on Create Service Account at the top and give it a name, that is Evlop App Manager. The service account ID will be generated automatically, so be sure to make a note of it for later use. Select the role as owner and click Continue. We can now skip these sections and click on Done. Alright, we can locate the service account that was created on this account. We just need to identify the most recent one that was created. Now, let's navigate to the Action section of the service account. Here we can click on Manage Keys. Select the Add Key drop-down, choose Create New Key, select JSON format, and create the new key. OK, so the service account has been successfully created and the key file has been automatically downloaded to your computer. Let's move back to the previous tab, which is the API Access tab, and refresh the service account. Here, we can easily locate the newly created service account. Afterwards, navigate to the Manage Play Console Permissions section and mark the checkbox to grant the service account admin permission. This step is crucial, as without admin permission, the Evlop App Builder won't be able to push app updates directly from the Shopify dashboard. If this happens, you'll receive an error message stating that a manual upload is required. Go to Account Permissions and select Admin Permission to grant app access, then invite the user. Here we have created a service account and the associated API key. Now let's go to the Shopify dashboard to complete the developer account connection process. Log in to your Shopify dashboard, select Sales Channel, and choose the Evlop Mobile App Builder. Proceed to the account page and click Connect to Android Developer Account. Open the key file, which should have been successfully uploaded, and click Connect. Now that we are connected to the Android Developer Account, let's proceed to the App Publishing page. Click on the Android app drop-down and select Build Android AAB. The build process will take approximately 20 minutes to complete before it can be downloaded. In the meantime, we can work on completing other listing and publishing setups within the Google Play console. Let's navigate back to the main page of the Google Play console, the All Apps page. Click on the Create App button. Name your app and select the default language. If your app is free, make sure to indicate that it's free if users don't need to pay just to download this app. Next, declare the necessary policies and create your app. After completing these steps, we'll be directed to the app dashboard that was just created. The main section that needs to be completed in order to publish our app is Set up your apps. Let's proceed with that. Let's set the privacy policy. Please copy the URL of your store's privacy policy and paste it here. Once done, save it and return to the dashboard. Navigate to the App Access section. Check the sections as per your app settings. In my case, all functionality in my app is available without any access restriction, and save your changes. Then go to the Ads section and select No to indicate that your app does not contain any ad. Save your changes and return to the dashboard. Next, go to Content Rating and complete the questionnaire. By providing your email address and selecting all other types for the category. Click Next to proceed. My app does not contain any sexual or violent content. It also does not allow users to interact with each other. There is no online content available. If you are trading alcohol, cigarettes, or gambling, please declare it as a yes. Otherwise, the answer is no. There is no option for sharing users' location or content. Digital goods cannot be purchased through the app. It is not a browser or search engine, nor is it a news or educational product. Once you have made your selections, click Save, and then proceed to Next and save it. Let's navigate to the Target Audience section. Here you can select the appropriate age range and categories based on your product or service. If you have a product suitable for children under 5 years old, you can choose that category. I have marked the age range of 9-12 to 18 and over. Click Next and OK. We do not collect personal information, and regulatory compliance has to be checked, and click Next. My app is not included in the teacher-approved program. Let's go back to the dashboard. The next section is a news app. But my app is not a news app. Check this and get back to the dashboard again. Next one, my app is not a publicly available COVID-19 contact tracing or status app. Please mark it as such and save the changes. Moving on to the next item on the checklist, which is data safety. I am happy to report that my application does not collect any user data, so the answer is no. The same goes for the following question. Click Next, save the changes, and go back to the dashboard. Next up is the government app category, which my app does not fall under. Let's go to the next one. Now, financial feature here. Please check if any options are available for the app, such as buy now, pay later, BNPL, rewards, credits, etc. In my case, none of them were available. If that's the case for you too, click on My app doesn't provide any financial feature and proceed to the next step. Here, you'll need to submit any relevant documents that the Play Store team may require if you have used any financial features. Once done, save the changes and return to the dashboard. For the app category, we need to select one that best describes our business. In this case, I will choose Shopping and save the selection. Let's manage the tags. It's important to select tags that accurately represent your business. For my app, I will be using beauty and lifestyle as tags. The next step is to add your store listing contact details. Include your store contact email, phone number, and store URL. Save this information and return to the dashboard. The final section is the store listing setup. Here you can customize your store name, write a short description, and a full business description. Add your logo and a banner image that best represents your store. If you have a video link, you can add that too. Finally, you can upload some screenshots. And rearrange them as needed by dragging and dropping. No need to submit tablet screenshots, since we've already submitted mobile screenshots. You can skip this step, save the changes, and go back to the dashboard. We're done with the setup sections, so let's proceed to release the app. To do that, scroll down and find the Create and Publish a Release section. First, we need to view the task. Here, we can select specific countries or select all and save it. Let's jump into creating a new release. We need to upload our app bundle, the AAB file, but first we need an app signing key. An app signing key is a cryptographic key used to sign Android apps. It is used to verify the authenticity and integrity of an app and to prevent unauthorized modifications. To generate an app signing key, select Choose Signing Key, and then click on Use Google Generated Key. This process may take some time, but Google will automatically create the key for you. Now we can upload the AAB file. Let's go back to the Shopify dashboard. Reload the page. And as we can see, the file is ready to download. After it finishes downloading, return to the Google Play console and upload the bundle file. Please be aware that the AAB file can only be uploaded manually once. However, all future updates must be directly submitted from the Shopify dashboard, so it is important to properly complete all permission-related configurations. Yes, so the app bundle has been uploaded successfully. Now let's proceed to the next. Save it and go to the publishing overview. It seemed to be 14 changes, so let's send them all for review. And that's it, we're done. The app has been submitted for review, which usually takes up to 7 business days. Once it's approved, your customers can officially download and enjoy the app from the Google Play Store. That wraps up our comprehensive guide on how to publish your app to the Google Play Store using the Evlop mobile app builder. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and has made the process more understandable and manageable for you. If you have any queries or concerns, you can reach out to us. Contact details have been mentioned in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.